Today, I'll show you how to create dashboards in Canva quickly and easily. Start by logging into your Canva account and typing dashboard into the search bar. You'll see a range of templates, from minimalistic to dynamic designs. Choose one that fits your style and the data you want to showcase. Click Customize this template to open the editor. Here, you can add your own data, adjust charts, change colors, fonts, and visuals to match your brand or personal style. Canva's drag and drop tools make rearranging elements effortless. Focus on highlighting the key points so your dashboard is not only informative but visually appealing. Once done, your dashboard is ready to impress, perfect for presentations, reports, or sharing with your team. And that's it. Turn your data into a clean, professional, and eye-catching dashboard in just a few clicks. Happy designing!